Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, this circuit is battery low level indicator. At 12 volts, it does not indicate anything. When the battery level will decrease at 10.5 volt, it will indicate. And when the voltage level down than 10.5 volt, it will keep indicating. For example, it is 5.4 volts. The LED is on. When the battery voltage level will reach above 10.5 volt, this will turn off. How this circuit will work, what is the composition and what is the theory, we will discuss in detail. Let's start. Basically, this circuit will track the center node of this network. This time, point A and B. Here we have cathode of this LED. Here we have anode. When we decrease the voltage, here we have 6.1 volt across this zener diode. But this resistor voltage are dropped to 4.3 volt. This voltage difference between 6.1 volt and 4.3 volt, it is about 1.8 volt. So 1.8 volt difference will turn on this LED. When this difference will decrease, here we have 6.1 volt and 4.5 volt. So it is 1.6 volt. So this 1.6 volt cannot turn on this LED. At 10 point, this time the LED is started glowing. We have 10.5 volts. When we have 10.5 volt, at this point and this point, we have approximately 1.7 volt difference. When the voltage will decrease more, this difference will increase 6.1 volt and 4.2 volt. It is 1.9 volt difference, so LED will start glowing. So let's discuss this circuit. Basically, it is a question from one of my viewer. He asked me to explain this circuit. Basically, this circuit, it have two portions. 6.2 volt zener, 1 kilo ohm resistor. 6.2 volt zener, 1 kilo ohm resistor. You can select 0.5 watt, half watt zener, 6.2 volt. 6.2 volt, 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm. So when we want to connect it, anode, cathode, resistor. This is our first set. The second set, cathode, anode, 1 kilo ohm resistor. So it is here. When we want to connect it, similarly bring it here. Resistor, anode, cathode. Resistor, cathode, anode. So cathode is towards positive side. So we will connect positive here and negative side here. The positive will connect it to the cathode side because it is zener. Zener is always connected in reverse direction. Now we have to connect this LED. If you see this LED, inside LED there is a one big terminal and small terminal. The big terminal, that is cathode, that is negative side. The small terminal, that is positive. We have to connect the large terminal to the right side. Large terminal will here. When the voltage are less than 10.5 volt, this LED will glow. So it is our low side indicator because it have to monitor the voltage difference between point A to B. When the voltage are less than 10.5 volt, at that time 6.2 volt will drop here, 6.2 volt will drop here, and from 10.5 volt, we can say 10 volt, from 10 volt 6.2 volt will drop here, the remaining 3.8 volt here, 3.8 and 6.1. So this difference will turn on this LED. Now we can convert it to high and low level detector. We will take another LED. This negative terminal we will connect to the second side. So this cathode side of this LED, the big terminal we will connect here. Now this LED will detect the high side voltage. So we can convert this circuit into high and low level detector. This time we have 5.2 volt at battery terminal, so it is giving low indication. Now I am increasing the voltage. Low level indication is on. Until 10.5 volt this LED will stay on. At 10.5 volt now this LED is going off. At 10.46 volt LED is on. 10.6 volt LED off. Now the battery voltage are increasing. When it will reach at 14 volt, it will give high indication that the voltage are high. The battery is charged. Adding this LED, this is low level, and we can connect also it is high. Low and high level detector. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, give a thumb up. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.